Assalamu alaikum dear students. Our today's topic is database administrator and data manipulation. Database administrator. Database administrator or DBA plays very important role in database management system environment. The DBA is responsible for designing, coordinating and monitoring the database system. The DBA has an IT the DBA must be an IT professional. He must be technically competent, having excellent communication and management skills. Management skills like plan and coordinate have importance for database development phases and to supervise the staff. The technical skills is another important factor for DBA because DBA has to implement the database system. He must be expert to install and operate complex hardware and handle hardware problems. He must also have the knowledge of general purpose programming languages, database language, and handle the complex software. Duties of database administrator: installing and managing the database management system, coordinating and monitoring database management system, designing the structure of database, allocating username and password to each user, maintenance of the operational system, creating backup of data regularly, providing training to users for using and accessing database. These are the main duties of database administrator in database management system or DBMS environment. Data manipulation in DBMS. Data manipulation in DBMS database management system is different from data manipulation in file system. DBMS manipulates the data in following ways. It stores data in tables or relations of database. The tables or relations of database may be connected with each other. It searches data very quickly from tables of database using indexes. It usually uses SQL structured query language to perform different operations on data of database tables. It provides facility to insert new data in database tables. It provides facility to modify existing data in database tables. It provides facility to retrieve required data from one or more tables of database management system. It provides facility to delete data from database tables. So data in database management system can be manipulated in these ways. Today we have discussed database administrator, duties of database administrator, and how data is manipulated in database management system. Data manipulation in database management system is different from data manipulation in file management system because data in database management system is stored differently from data in file system. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.